Zachman's framework has 6 levels, including objectives, models of the business, model of information system, technology model, and detailed representation and the function system. Within each role, there are 6 levels: data, which is the what, function is the how, network is the where, and people the who, time is the when, and the motivation is the why. The first row is objective scope and the data of the what. It lists the importance of the business. The next one is the function is the how. It lists the processes of the business. The network is the where the business operates in their locations. People is the who, is list of organizational units. Time is the when, is the business events and their cycles. And the motivation is their business goals and the purpose of the business. The next row is the model of the business. The data, what, is the entity relationship diagram. The function, who, is the business process model, physical data flow diagram. The network, where, is the logistics networks. The people is the organization with their roles and skill sets and security. Time, when, is the business master schedule. And the motivation is the business plan. The third row is the model of information system. The data of the what is the data model, which is fully normalized. Function how is initial data flow and application architecture. The network where is distributed system architecture. The people who is the interface with the from humans, their roles and data and their access. The time is the entity life history, the process structure, and the motivation is the business rule model. The fourth row is the technology model. Data architecture, the table, the columns, and mapping of that data. The function who is the system design, structure chart, the pseudocode. The network where is the system architecture, the hardware, the software. The people who is the user interface and how the system will behave. The time when is the control flow diagram, it's the control structure. And the motivation is the business rule design. The fifth row is the detailed representation. The data what is data design denormalized, the physical storage design. The function who is, I'm sorry, the function how is the detailed program design. The network where is the system architecture. I'm sorry, is the network architecture. People who is the screen's security architecture. The timing is timing definitions. And the motivation, the why, is the rule specification in the program logic. The last row is the function system, although it's sometimes not considered a part of the framework. It is the last to bring all the systems together, which is the function system. The data what is the converted data. The function how is executable programs. The network where is communications and facilities. And the people are the trained people, the people who will be carrying out. Um, the time when is the business events, and the motivation is the enforced rules. And this is the Zachman's framework that I have described, and that's the end of it.